Hi, I'm Elly and this is my partner Sophia. We're from the Marion Star's new Rising Star program. So today I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube after she jumbles it up. And a little bit of history about the Rubik's Cube. It was invented by Professor Rubik's, so it should be called the Rubik's Cube. He was from Hungary and he was a math professor. He wanted to teach his students about three-dimensional puzzles, so he invented this cube. And after he invented it, his first try, it took him 1 month to solve it. So Sophia, can you please jumble this up so people don't think we're cheating? I'm not even gonna look. Can I? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm sorry if I'm not reacting enough. My mom says I have a great poker face. No, she's just gonna stand here.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand here and be weird.
Like wave.
I need to do a thing.
Okay, don't do that.
Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Wait, do it.
Real quick. I get to brag for a second now. Yay!